Okay, now I want to show you the consequences of what's called a short circuit. On my left side, I have a circuit that's been created correctly, where both the resistor and LED are in series with one another. And when I come in, everything works as expected. My LED turns on, it doesn't overheat because there's not too much current going through it. Okay, now let's create a circuit that will have an intentional short in it, and a circuit that I see students accidentally make quite often, right? So I'm going to have a resistor here in this row with my LED over here. So students think what's going to happen is, as I put my lead there, that as I make a connection on this side, that current is going to go through this resistor, through this right leg of the LED, down here into there. But that's not what happens. And if you see, if I keep making a connection, we get one large blast of light and then nothing else. Well, that's because we just overloaded this LED with too much current. The reason is this resistor is not in series with my LED. What's happening is current's traveling in from this wire into that row. Most of the current is ignoring this resistor completely, going down the parallel path through the bus bar behind here, into this leg, into the LED, overloading it, and now it's destroyed. So this is the consequence of a short circuit, right? I have students all the time think that this resistor is in series with this, but it's not. They've created a parallel path, and really nothing's going to go through this resistor, or ever. It's a pointless circuit. You should never have both legs of a resistor in the same row of a breadboard. But that is an example of a short circuit, because what's happened is I've shorted out this resistor. My circuit is not going in the intended path that I wanted it to. That is the whole idea of a short circuit. A short circuit means that you have some ideal circuit in mind, but there's some short created either by negligence or by damage to the circuit that causes current to flow in a path it was never intended to.